өглөөний мэнд. Би өнөөдөр медик гээд найзтайгаа уулзах байна. Өнөөдөр үнэхээр халуун өдөр байна. 8 сар талдаг гэж нэр үнэхээр үнэн шүү дээ. Зя өнөөдөр бид хоёр гадуур алхах гэж байна. Нэг тиймэрхүү төлөвлөгөөтэй. Ам цангаж байна. Халуун болохоор буухан ууя. За ямар юм уу?
More rewards card. Thank you for shopping.
Thank you. Hi Mary.
Hi.
How are you?
So this worked out better.
Oh, no hugs.
So this worked out better.
Why?
Because
this
the
one.
100 bus stops further down.
Yeah, I was just here when you texted me.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it when it happens.
It's hot today.
Huh?
It's hot.
It's hot.
Thank you. Oops. Hi. Can we go? Yeah.
What did you like?
I'll get sandwich.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, wait a minute.
Why?
Maybe I'll get a sandwich too.
Do you have the pesto chicken?
So it's pesto. No, I think the closest one to that would be the chimichurri.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I might get it. Hold on, I might do the same.
There are two of them. Chimichurri.
To the chimichurri, yeah.
It's not spicy.
You want those more than
Sure.
Yeah.
That's good. That's better. Yeah.
just one more than? For sure. So you can just hold on.
You
to
want
one
it-
and
What do you want to drink?
Both of them. This is last year from Apple Store.
It looks like something alien. There's no rush. We can sit here and enjoy ourselves for a bit.
I was thinking we can walk. You know, we can walk from here until White Ave.
Yeah.
We can cross the bridge.
Oh,
Yeah, we can walk like that.
we can go to White Ave. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, can you hear me? Well, I'm not at my best looking, but I don't care.
This is my friend Mary, and this is my audiences behind the screen. We are here today to go for a walk, like discover the city. We do that often, so it's not something new, but it feels like new.
Oh, it's beautiful here.
Yeah.
It's a shame the fountain is not going up as high today. The
Maybe
water.
it's because it's early. I don't know.
The time when we were here last time, it was beautiful. It was magnificent.
It was around this time. You look like a tourist.
I do.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I'm a visitor here. And look, I used to say, oh my God, I love the purple and yellow flowers, how they put them together. They put really unusual colors together.
You've been waiting, baby,
I love it.
so I'm gonna give it to you. Is it in the air tonight? Feel it if it's time to try. You've been waiting.
За бид хоёр одоо энд White Avenue дээр ирсэн байна. Амар халуун байна. Тэгээд нэг газар сууя да. Гээ явж ирсэн чинь hey, it's closed. Starbucks is closed. Oh,
Oh,
what?
that would have been nice. Is second cup open? No, it's too hot.
Бид хоёр явж байгаа Block 1912, Block 19 дараа ирсэн. Тэгээд энэ газар байдаг. Very expensive. Cold iced water and then iced latte. Yes. Yes, please. It's also. Oh.
How long were we holding?
2 hours now. Good job. Алхахтай хүмүүс халуулсан гэсэндээ алхаж байна.
Can't reach the phone.
Hold it like this, man. And then your thumb. This one. Яа манайхаа гэрээ зэгцэлчлээ. Тэгээд одоо би нэг сонирхолтой юм хийж байна. Интернетээс би харсан дэргэнд кофег хөлдөөгөөд тэг мөсний оронд хэрглэж байгаа юм байна лээ. Тэгээд би өнөөдөр тэрийг туршиж үзэх гэж байна. Тайдтайгаа хамт хийж үзье гэж бодлоо. Тэгээд эхэлцгээе. Зэм харагдчих байна. Кофег ашиглана. Өглөөний мэнд. Өглөөний цагаа ууя. Тэгээд өчтөрийн хийсэн кофе томсруу Dögo coffee away.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me. 'Cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. So I'm the one who's giving it up. Good.
Зэ манайхаа би ороод ирлээ. Өнөөдөр үнэхээр бүр итгэмээргүй хал өдөр байна. Юу яагаад энэ зуны баг хамгийн халуун өдөр байх шүү байна. Зэ одоо яах гэж байна вэ гэвэл би мэдээж усанд орно. Яагаад гэвэл юу бүтэж өглөө халуусч өглөө. Тэгээд байна бэлтгэе. Нүрэ зөвлөе бас.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me.
dear friend Naya.
Nia, girl, like you forget my name.
We are here at a new cafe called Square One Coffee in Edmonton.
Is it good?
Thank you.
I'll get the strawberry cake.
Strawberry cheesecake?
Yeah. Where's your bun?
Here, in there.